Ever see something you absolutely positively must have right now? But maybe, just maybe, your wallet is giving you a serious side-eye? That's where the magic words appear. Buy now, pay later. It's the ultimate temptation. That new gadget, those stylish shoes, that fancy coffee machine. Suddenly, a huge price tag shrinks into 4 tiny, manageable payments. Instant gratification, anyone? Imagine you see a singing, dancing robot vacuum. Your brain screams, yes, and then the little BNPL devil on your shoulder whispers, just 4 payments, my friend, 4. This is Buy Now, Pay Later, or BNPL. It's the cool new finance kid that's offering you a slice of that immediate spending pie without the old school credit card commitment, or so it seems. First, let's look at the shiny, happy side of BNPL. When used correctly, this thing can be a genuine financial ninja. How does it work? Simple. You split your purchase into small, usually interest-free installments, often 4 of them. It's like turning one giant bill into 4 friendly little ones. Abracadabra. It's fantastic for budgeting. Need a new washing machine but payday is next week? BNPL lets you secure the item now and smooth out the expense without dipping into your emergency fund all at once. And the best part? For most standard BNPL plans, the payments are interest-free. That's a huge win compared to those credit cards with interest rates that look like phone numbers. All right, buckle up, because here's where the friendly financial ninja turns into a mischievous gremlin, the dangerous debt trap. The problem? BNPL makes spending feel invisible. One tiny payment here, another tiny payment there, and suddenly you have 5 different payments due every week. That tiny payment addiction is real, folks. And if you miss a payment, say hello to the late fee monster. These fees can be surprisingly nasty and completely wipe out the benefit of the quote interest-free deal. Don't wake the monster. While some BNPL plans don't report regular activity, if you default or miss payments, they absolutely can report that bad behavior. And trust me, your credit score does not enjoy surprise parties. So how do we use this tool like a professional and avoid the trap? It's all about strategy and self-control. Here's the mom rule of finance. Only use BNPL for things you could have purchased right now with money in your bank account. If you can't afford the total, don't use the plan. Seriously, you need a calendar, an alarm, a carrier pigeon, whatever it takes. Know exactly when those 4 installments are due and treat them like sacred appointments. Don't juggle too many BNPL accounts at once. Having 5 different payments across 3 different apps is a recipe for missed deadlines and financial chaos. Keep it simple, silly. So, is BNPL a smart money hack or a dangerous debt trap? The answer truly depends on the person holding the financial remote control. That's you. Think of it this way. BNPL is a handy hammer for budgeting. But if you try to use that hammer to defuse a financial time bomb, you're going to have a bad time. Use the right tool for the job. Use BNPL wisely, enjoy the budgeting benefits, and avoid those fees. Now go forth and conquer your shopping cart. But please, pay on time. Thanks for watching.